I must fail at something repeatedly. It has to haunt me. And sit there and analyze what I'm doing wrong. What changed me was I had to be hard on myself.
Yep.
I want to go to that dark place in my mind and say, okay, how are we going to get this done?
Yep.
So who I was this nobody guy. I had a fucked up way to go, man. What I realized in my life is that I have to continue to grind myself into a fine dust. The people in my life who were in my life when I was bad, they want to take me back there. They're mad that I'm here.
Yes.
They don't like the fact that they're still where the fuck they're at.
That's right.
They hate that because you figured it out. The only thing to figure out is this. And everybody has a different equation. My equation was very different than most people's.